how to create Adobe Acrobat account. Alright, let's get you set up with your own Adobe Acrobat account. It's super easy and you will need it to unlock all the cool features Acrobat has to offer, especially if you are wanting to work with the PDFs just viewing them. First things first, head over to Adobe Acrobat website or the app. Here I'm using the app. Simply tap on it. And now you will see several options over here. According to this, you can sign in with the Google, Facebook, Apple and Adobe. And you can choose the option you prefer. In this video, I'm going to use my Google to sign in. Let's type on sign in with the Google. Now choose the Google account that you will be using for Adobe Acrobat. Let's wait for a while. And after that, you will be asked to confirm the sign in account. So this is to confirm that you have entered the right email address for the Gmail account for this account. So if it's correct, simply tap on sign in over here. Now it will present you a form. Simply fill in all the required details. At the first, there is first name and last name, and there goes the date of birth. Simply choose the month and the year that you were born. Here's a country, so it have itself selected the country for me. And under them, you will see a privacy policy. If you want, you can read them all too. And there's also a checkbox which says, please don't contact me via the email. Let's check it up. And once you have read all the terms of use and policies, simply tap on create account over here. After that, tap on continue, and here's come get started. Simply tap on continue for that too, and you can see a plans over here too. I'm not going to use the plans, so let's click on not now. And that's pretty much of it. Your Adobe account is ready to go. Now we can explore all the amazing things that Acrobat have to offer. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.